I am Sanjit Bosu Rahul, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Cambrian College. Today, I teach you English first paper. Before going to our text, we will watch some images which help you to gauge the lesson what we want to learn today. Okay? Do you know the instruments? This is very popular instruments in rural area. There are more instruments, music instruments. Try to guess what type of songs are related to these instruments. Do you know the man renowned Fakir Lalon Shah? Now I think you will able to guess the lesson. Folk song. Okay? You are very popular to this. So, our today's lesson is folk music. Learning outcomes. After reading these lessons, you will be able to know what does folk music consist of, kind of folk music in Bangladesh, the characteristics of folk music. Okay? Dear students, before going to our text, we will learn some important word meanings which help you to understand the text and context. Okay? Sophisticated. Very good words. Having obtained worldly experience or refined. Secular, not specifically religious or profane. Transmit, to send or forward or convey. Dialect, a variety of a language. We have to discuss these words. All of you know our mother tongue is Bengali, but we have many dialects. How is it possible? It depends on region. We know that Borishal, Noakhali, Kustia, Cox's Bazar, every region has own dialect and native tone. This is called dialect. Illiterate, unable to read and write. That means the man who doesn't know write and read. Emotive, relating to emotions. Explicit, very clear, specific or detailed. Dear students, this is an excerpt on music written by Mridul Kanti Chakraborty. He was an expert in music and also sang baul songs. He was also a teacher of Dhaka University. Okay? Now we will go through the text. Please listen to me. Folk music consists of songs and music of a community that are uninfluenced by any sophisticated musical rules or a standard musical styles. That means consist of songs and music of a community, uninfluenced by any sophisticated musical rules. That means it doesn't follow sophisticated rules or a standard music styles. Bangladesh has a heritage of rich folk music which includes both religious and secular songs. Next one, folk music may be described as that type of ancient music which springs from the heart of a community. Spring means come out, based on their natural style of expression, uninfluenced by the rules of classical music and modern popular songs. That means it doesn't follow classical music or modern popular songs. Any mood or form created by the combination of tune, voice and dance may be described as folk music. Thus, the combination of folk song, folk dance, folk tune may be called folk music. For example, Baul songs are a combination of tune, music and dance. So we know what is folk song and folk music. Next one, folk music has the following characteristics. It is composed by rural folk on the basis of ancient rules transmitted orally. That means it depends rural folk. These ancient rules of music have not been influenced by classical or modern music. Folk songs may be sung in groups or individually. That means a person may sing individually and also a group of people may sing. No regular practice is required for folk music. It is composed and performed by illiterate or semi-illiterate people. That means very rural people are related to this kind of song. It is a spontaneous expression in easy language, local dialect and simple tune. Both words and tune are appealing. Despite its universal appeal, it uses local dialect. It depends upon nature and the rural environment. That means environment, rural environment and nature is important element in folk music. It is an explicit manifestation, that means clear expression of the joys and sorrows of daily life. It uses simple and natural rhythms. It contains a strong emotive expression of human love and separation. Okay? Dear students, do you understand the characteristics of folk music? We have 12 characteristics folk music. I think all of you understand. Now we will do exercise. Try to do. How can folk music be described? Why are the words and tune of folk music appealing? Okay? That is all. Thank you. See you again. Goodbye.